I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and access rights. This avoids permission errors later. Once done, open Roblox Studio and save a full backup of every place file to your computer. Make sure the recipient's account exists and that you can message them to coordinate. Next, decide whether you'll transfer via group ownership or change the place creator. Both require different settings. Now move to the game's game settings and the Create New Game or Update Existing Place options to begin the transfer. Now you perform the actual transfer. If using a group, promote the recipient to an admin role, then change the group's owner if required. This immediately gives them control. If transferring a place, open the game's basic info in Roblox Studio and select Transfer to Group or edit the Creator field. Once the ownership switch is triggered, confirm all Universe ID, API keys, and third-party integrations are updated to the new owner. Make sure monetization payouts and DevX destinations are adjusted. Finish by verifying the creator name on the public game page and testing publish permissions in Studio. You want to confirm full access. Reassign any game passes, developer products, and monetization settings so purchases route to the right account. If something goes wrong, first check that the recipient has the correct group role and that you updated all settings. Then wait 10 to 15 minutes for caching to clear and try again. If persistent, contact Roblox support with clear ownership proof and transaction details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.